Hey everybody, this is DJ from LNS Outdoors and DL Custom Knives. Today we're going to do a little bit of what I carry with me in my get home bag / EDC bag. Y'all stay tuned and we'll go over it. So to start out, what we have here is some extra clothing. We have a pair of pants, a pair of light cotton socks, a beanie, long sleeve t-shirt, short sleeve, pair of heavy socks, a flannel. You know, you never know. It might be cold, it might be warm. If you're going to be out in the woods or, you know, at night, you never know. So, let's see here. Cell phone. Of course, I'm recording this on a cell phone, so here's my case. Knife sharpener. Paracord bracelet that's got a compass on it, so at least I can find direction. Knife. I carry two. This one's usually on my hip every day. Some granola bars. I got 4 of those that I carry in my pack. Instant soup mix. This is bouillon. A little bottle of pain relievers. 32-ounce jug, stainless steel with a cup. If you have to, you can boil water. Let's see. My watch, which I wear. My wallet. Let's see. I got 20 feet of electrical tape, some medical tape, and inside this I have matches, which you can hear. A marker, flashlight with an extra battery. I carry that every day. Emergency candles, which help if you need with making fire. Also, you light that, you can stick it up underneath your tinder and stuff. It'll burn longer. A bandana, which you can use to filter water. 2 different types of cordage. This is paracord, and this is just some jute cordage if you have to build shelter or whatever. My tomahawk. Small fishing kit. It's got assorted hooks, bobbers, some small lures, sinkers, roll of fishing line, ferrocerium rod, fire starters, which is just cotton balls and dryer lint, 100 rounds of .22 long rifle, almost 50 rounds of, that is 50 rounds, 50 rounds of 9mm, 2 snares, marking tape, because, you know, you never know, you might end up with a broken leg or something. At least you can mark around you, make it easier for search and rescue to find you. 22 long rifle with new prototype sling that I'm making, which contributes to more cordage if you need it. And last but not least, 9mm full mag and an extra. So here it is all put together, folks. The only thing that I need to put in this bag is a first aid kit. And I still have plenty of room. But all that went into that bag. And all that is a $10 bag from Walmart. But as you can see, of course, this is carried on my belt, which we have open carry here in Virginia. My 22 will be in a case that goes in the vehicle, but everything else fits. Paracord bracelet I put right here, just so I could use the compass easily. But yep, that's it, folks. Well, y'all, thanks for watching, and we hope to see you back soon.